ServiceNow is a cloud-based platform that provides a wide range of IT service management, ITSM, and business process automation, BPA solutions. It is not considered an enterprise resource planning, ERP system. Instead, ServiceNow is primarily known for its capabilities in IT service management, customer service management, human resources service management, and various other business process automation areas. ServiceNow's key uses and capabilities: IT service management, ITSM. ServiceNow is renowned for its IT service management capabilities. It helps organizations manage and automate their IT services and processes, including incident management, problem management, change management, and asset management. This streamlines IT operations and improves service delivery, customer service management, CSM. ServiceNow offers tools for managing customer interactions and support processes. It enables organizations to provide better customer service by tracking and resolving customer issues efficiently. Human Resources Service Management, HRSM. HR departments can use ServiceNow to automate HR processes like employee onboarding, offboarding, and case management. This leads to increased efficiency and better employee experiences. Business Process Automation, BPA. Service now allows organizations to automate various business processes beyond IT and HR. This includes workflows for procurement, finance, facilities management, and more. Automation reduces manual tasks and increases productivity. ET, Operations Management, ITOM. ServiceNow's ITOM. Solutions help organizations monitor and manage their IT infrastructure, ensuring that systems and services are running smoothly. EAT, Business Management, ITBM tools. Enable organizations to align IT resources with business goals and prioritize projects effectively. Security operations, SecOps. ServiceNow assists in managing and responding to security incidents and vulnerabilities, helping organizations enhance their cybersecurity posture. Custom application development. The platform provides tools for building custom applications and automating specific processes tailored to an organization's unique needs. Service portal and self-service. ServiceNow offers a user-friendly service portal that allows employees and customers to request services, report issues, and access information easily, reducing the burden on IT and HR teams. Reporting and analytics. ServiceNow provides robust reporting and analytics